Hey, good morning, guys. I am in Southwest Utah and Hurricane, visiting UTV Pros. I'm going to take you inside the shop, introduce you to some of the crew, including Justin, the owner of UTV Pros, and get a little behind the scenes look at what they do here.
Hey, I'm the owner here at UTV Pros. My name is Justin Key, and we're going to give you a shop tour today. So we're located in Hurricane, Utah. We are 5 miles away from Sand Hollow, one of the world's premier rock crawling spots in the country right now. We are just 2 hours north of Vegas. There's so much different kind of riding around here, not just rock crawling, but desert riding. You ride to the Grand Canyon. It's just an amazing place of the country to come visit. So we got a fully stocked showroom with all the parts you may break or want to upgrade on your machine. Anything from, just the stock parts to, the wild, crazy, badass parts. We test all the products that we sell here. I don't sell anything I don't believe in, and so we are enthusiasts in this industry, so we want to get you guys the parts that we would use on our own machines. So we do everything in-house here, from a basic oil change, to going over the whole machine. But this one right here, we're just doing some just simple maintenance on it, the steering boot, shocks, and so it needed it's had a few miles on it, so it needed shock rebuilds. So we do shock rebuilds in-house. We check the wheel bearings. We go through the whole machine when we do a basic service, and we can go from just the basic surface all the way over to here where we're doing a full race prep. So he's a desert racer. They come in and they want a turnkey car to go racing. We'll go through the whole car and make sure it's completely 100% race ready. So this one came in for just a full service. We found, we go through the whole machine. We make sure everything's good. His clutches were not going to last much longer, so we're doing a full clutch rebuild and upgrade on this one. So this is one of our good customer, Greg's car. He came in, just getting into the industry. We just did some wheels and tires, simple bolt-ons. He really fell in love with the industry, and so over time we've really tricked this one out. So we started with some HCR suspension, moved on to portals. As stuff progresses and people get better, they want better stuff on their car. So then we go out and we do a full cage with the exoskeleton, and he's driving around and he's really having a hard time pushing these big 39-inch tires and steering it. So then we put on hydraulic steering. So whatever you're feeling like you're lacking in, or what your machine needs, we can make sure we get it taken care of and make your ride the most enjoyable that it can be. So here's another example of what we do here. This is our RS1. We can do everything from A to Z. So on this build, we had to stretch it 20 inches, custom roll cage. It's all triangulated. We raised the rear trailing arm mount so you're not hanging up on anything. Had to build the custom skid plate, drive line, wiring harness, and then just a bunch of awesome bolt-on parts. We're out there trying to push the limits and see what these machines can do, and this is our ultimate version of what that is, and we'll keep pushing the limits and seeing what we can change and make better. But everything from the gearing in the transmission to tuning the shocks, like it all goes in to a final product that we can do here at the UTV Pros. So we're over here in the fabrication department. We build cages for most of the main manufacturers. So like the Maverick X3, the Polaris Turbo R, Pro R, Turbo S, there's all the popular machines we build cages for. Right now we're actually just finishing up our design on the Maverick R Max cage. This is all 2-inch DOM. They look good, but they're definitely made to be strong and increase the safety of these vehicles. So this is our fabrication table. Everything we do, we want to make sure it's just straight and as perfect as possible. So we don't just build one off, you have to have the car and make it off the car. This is, we want to make sure it fits perfectly and as strong as possible. So we fixture all of our cages. They come through this table first, and then we go through and actually make a full jig for that cage. So this is our Pro R jig. So we go from the fab table over there over to this. And so this will actually do our Pro R 2-seat and 4-seat cages. As you can see, we take a lot of pride in the work. The welds are just beautiful. And, we try to triangulate and make everything just as strong as possible. So here's just another example of what we do here. So this is a Maverick R that we're taking and making it best in the desert race legal. So we're going to add the front and rear bumpers, spare tire carrier. We got the rear mounted radiator. We'll do a full fuel cell in this thing. We have to fully welded door bars, the A+ pillar. A lot of work goes into making one of these race legal, and that's just one of our specialties here.
All right, guys, thanks for coming on our shop tour today. You can reach us at 435-635-5678, on the web at theutvpros.com, or here at our location at 474 Commerce Street in Hurricane, Utah. Thanks for coming along. Anything you need for your UTV, please come see us. We'd love to talk to you about it.